Hey YouTube, thanks for watching my video on lightweight, light budget, dual sport camping. The crap kit. And oh crap, I still have not made the maiden voyage. The shakedown one-nighter. Yeah, last couple weekends obligations, and I thought this weekend I was hoping this would skirt by, but sure enough, it's in the forecast. I don't want to go camping in the rain too much. So, but I thought, well, I'll do another video of stuff I haven't covered yet. So, and this time is the crap kit. But hey, my disclaimer: I'm no moto vlogger. I don't edit. I don't do riding videos. I don't edit these videos. It's one take, only take. Sorry if I misspeak. Let me know. I'll correct it in the description. Ask me any questions. I'm always happy to answer. And that's it. So with that, let's look at the crap. Alright, so here we go, and this little bag I cut down from an old Slumberjack bag that I had. I got another one, but I cut this to carry my 3 crap kit items. So, scat hole, it's a good idea. Look into it. You really want to do it. So this is what I take. Nice, so packable. And let's go through the 3 items. Alright, so the contents of my crap kit: spade and wet wipes. Well, let me talk about this first. One, okay, look at ultralight backpackers. The shovel they all use is the Deuce. The Deuce. It is so light, and it's also 20 bucks. So this is a little plastic, real sturdy trowel. Gotten it Cal Ranch, $2.99. That's it. That's what I'm going with. Yeah. Wet wipes. Got it. And this is how I put it in the little sack. Is I have wet wipes in a zip lock. And then I don't use toilet paper, I use a napkin. So these are super nice napkins I like at the cafeteria where I'm employed. Grab a couple extra, and super nice. And look how great they pack, and that's a lot of material. I mean, you're double ply all the way till you fold it all the way out. So awesome. And hey, if it's good enough to wipe the lips on my face, it's good enough for the other end. That's what I'm saying. So that's it. Yeah, and I'm really looking forward to getting up in the mountains. I hope next weekend. But thanks for watching my videos. I can't remember which number this is going to be in this series. And I thought, I might do a couple more this weekend if I'm not going. That's it. Again, thanks for watching, and as always on XT250 all day, ride safe, everybody.